Growing up, I loved Hamburger Helper Cheeseburger Macaroni, but making it homemade is so much better and it's super easy. Skip the box stuff and let me show you how to make it in the Instant Pot. Turn on your saute setting and brown your ground beef. Add beef broth. Then add in tomato paste, onion powder, paprika, garlic powder, and hot sauce. You can skip the hot sauce if you want to. It's more of a flavor enhancer. It's not going to make your dish spicy. Add in your macaroni pasta. Mix it in really good. Top with your lid, then turn it on manual high pressure for 4 minutes. When it's done, do a quick release. Add evaporated milk and shredded cheddar cheese. Mix until melted, salt and pepper to taste, and there you go. Homemade Hamburger Helper Cheeseburger Macaroni. For the full recipe and additional cooking tips, please visit aforkstail.com.